It really is that damn phone. The amount of content that I've seen in the last few years, especially the last couple of months, that are related to going offline, doing a digital detox, getting a flip phone, finding your way back to hobbies, the problems of social media, and so on. And it's crazy. Now, with the influx of all of this, does this mean that it's just the current trend, or is society truly yearning for a simpler time? I do genuinely believe that a lot of people do want to unplug and be more present with themselves and their friends and family. I feel like we've come to a point in society where technology is evolving very fast, very rapidly. And while I do believe that technology should be advancing, I see the draw and the whimsy of 2000s technology. And I think everyone should learn how to be okay with being away from their phone and social media. I spend an ungodly amount of time, unfortunately, on TikTok, and it makes me really sad. My goal for the year was to create more than consume, and I know I'm not alone when I say that I've been yearning for like a slower, more intentional way of living. This video aims to be a guide on how to reclaim your time, attention, and identity, and overall to inspire you guys to have more fun and create some good memories. So, without further ado, let's get started on this guide to going offline. I'm someone who's always loved physical media, and I think it's so important for people to have like a curated media collection. There's been a growing trend of people shifting to collecting physical media over streaming, and also investing in more analog or simple technological devices, such as dumb phones, camcorders, CD players, or iPod Nanos. Those are like all the rage right now. So expensive now on like Marketplace and stuff because everyone wants it. And you know, love that for them. I want that too. I'm so mad I got rid of my iPod. Like, what was I thinking? Crazy. Some ways you can romanticize analog moments are making playlists and burning CDs. I've been having a lot of fun making playlists lately that match very specific vibes because I can never find the perfect playlist, so I've started making them myself. It's like a lost craft. I used to make them all the time, fell out of it, now I'm doing it again, and I'm having so much fun. And as a teenager, I used to love burning CDs, so I want to get back into that because you can also like personalize and like DIY the cases and like CD discs, and it's a lot of fun. Highly recommend. Very fun pastime you can do with friends or alone. 2, writing letters to friends or a pen pal. I used to have a pen pal in Austria. We would write to each other on our typewriters, so that was like fun and unique. We would draw for each other, take photos on like our Polaroid cameras, and so much more. Like, it was so fun to curate the letter every time and make it so cute, and we were interacting from like across the globe, so that was so cool. We eventually fell off, but I love that I did that. It was so much fun, and it's such a lovely way to connect with someone from a different country. 3, taking yourself on an offline date. This could be to like a coffee shop, a museum, park, library, event, etc. So many places, so many options. 4, reading a physical book. You could either thrift your books, check them out of your local library, or support a small bookstore nearby. 5, buying physical media from estate sales, yard sales, or thrift store. Physical media in these locations are very easy to come by, and they're often very cheap. 6, writing things down in a physical planner or calendar and making to-do lists. This helps to visualize everything that you want or need to get done without reaching for your phone. I know me personally, if I make a to-do list in my phone, I often am not just on my phone for that, and I end up in a doom scroll moment. So, I mean, that's an option. If you get stuck like me, maybe write it down. 7, reading up on your current news in your local library. I currently work at a library, and we get newspaper in every day, and they're always promptly displayed in the front. This is a good way to stay up to date on what's going on without getting stuck and not scrolling. You kind of get where we're going, right? Making time to see people in person. Being able to connect with your friends at any point of the day is nice, yes, but you know what's even better? Connecting with them in person. Hang out with your friends more. There's so many things you can do with them. Literally, the options are unlimited. Go have fun. Specifically trying hobbies that are more hands-on and tactile. Creating things with your hands that require your full attention is very rewarding. And when your full attention is on creating something, your hands aren't itching to scroll on your phone. Like, for example, I've recently gotten into making chainmail. I will just like put on one of my playlists I've been making, or I'll throw on ghosts because I've seen that already, so I don't really have to focus on that. And I'll just chainmail for like hours. Like, I just finished making this chainmail bandana, and while it took so long to make, I'm so proud of it because like I did that, you know, and you could do that. A few examples of some hands-on hobbies you can try out are writing in a journal, doodling in a sketchbook, cooking, baking, reading physical books, trying film photography out, creating a camcorder vlog, making friendship bracelets, did this in line at Joe concert, so fun, scrapbooking, making a sign, printmaking, and knitting. There's like so many more options out there that I haven't included, but I do plan on making a more in-depth video on hobbies soon, so stay tuned for that. Something that is often slept on is just simply going outside. Like literally go touch grass. It's free, or at least very cheap, and there's literally so much you can do. You could go on a nature walk in your neighborhood or like local park. Go for a hike with a friend. Go to a botanical garden or outdoor museum. Go kayaking. Go swimming. Picnic without your phone, either by yourself or with a friend. Stargazing. Cloud watching. Trying your hand at gardening. Go to a state or national park, etc. You get the vibe. Get outside. It's very important to take care of yourself mentally and physically. Some ways you can do this are having slow mornings or nights. So this could look like making coffee or tea, putting on a good record, reading, cozy lighting, journaling, vibes, trying a digital detox, even just for a day, trying yoga or Pilates out, inside or outside, taking yourself on a solo date, eating healthier, going to the doctors, taking care of yourself. It's good to do that. I saw someone online say that they plan on taking their friends out on field trips this summer, and I found that just so cute. Your friendships are so important, and people often forget how important they are, and making time to see and hang out with your friends is something I highly recommend you do. Some recommendations for like some things you could do with your friends this summer are going on a beach trip, a camping trip, go to an estate sale, go to the thrift store together, go to a drive-in movie, go to an arcade, go on a ghost hunting adventure, link to me and my friend's ghost hunting channel down below, plan a game night, plan a night where you guys cook or bake together, have a themed party, have a bonfire, bring back sleepovers. So fun, even when you're like in your 20s like I am, so fun to have sleepovers. Go to a farmer's market, go to a concert, do a paint night, go to a museum, do a photo shoot together. Like the options are unlimited. Hang out with your friends, start planning things. Do it right now. A fun way to challenge yourself to be more intentional with your time and to be offline is to make a list of things you want to challenge yourself to do. I'll give you a list of my bucket list items that I made to show you like an example of what you could put on yours. So on mine, I have go to a state park with my friend, mountain coaster adventure, go thrifting, get hiking boots, visit the National History Museum, go to a drive-in movie, throw a party, go to West Virginia Penitentiary for my birthday, start the ghost hunting channel, s'mores and bonfire, casual dating, be consistent with Pilates, go to a farmer's market, plan more friends hangouts. And that's a wrap on your guide to going offline. Please let me know down in the comments what you're putting on your bucket list. Like and subscribe if you liked the video, and make sure to have a good time.